What would you like to say, Lara?
This is it on? This is a chicken. This is my favourite chicken of all of them. It's a bit peckish and he's a bit kicky. His feathers are very nice. Well, all of them are, but I haven't stroked that one there. See, it makes a lovely noise.
And what do you have to say, Chicken, about all of this?
What do you have to say, Chicken?
Okay, good night then.
Good night.
Goodbye. Good night, we love you.
You love them better, I know you do. I always wanted to feel that bit. Oh, it feels nice. So that's all Dada. Okay? You're gonna peck my toes, I just know you are.